What's up, guys? So a lot of y'all like when we actually go out and use the trucks, hauling, towing, racing. And so today we're going to be giving the Duramax a little bit of a workout. First time towing on the big 38s. We're headed to pick up a pretty large pontoon boat. Now, this truck is pretty tall, and so I put our largest 8-inch drop hitch on here. I'm just hoping that's enough to actually get this thing hooked up. All right, we got the 360 cam up. We're about 2 minutes away from old boy's house. Pick the old pontoon boat up. Holy crap, this thing looks good, even though it's absolutely filthy. We gotta wash this thing today for sure.
How's it going this morning? Good, great.
All right, boys, we are loaded up, ready to go. Got the old D-Max leaning a good bit, that's for sure. Pontoon boat has a lot more neck weight than I originally remember it having. So, yeah, we'll see how fun it is, as well as getting out of this driveway. It's gonna be tight. I think it's the trailer tires making a weird noise. Hopefully this is trailer tires. Hopefully it's not the Duramax. All right, here we go. I mean, you can feel that it's back there, but at the same time, you really can't feel that it's back there. Now, that is while accelerating. Braking might be a different story. Got her in tow haul. Hopefully that'll help us out, Bo. What is flying around me? This kind of bug. Oh, yeah. Slow us on down, big girl. Oh, I ain't even touching the brakes yet. Okay, now I'm touching the brakes. You know, it ain't no Dodge turbo braking, but gosh dog, it's pretty good. Front end feels a little bit lighter for sure. Just we got her laid back with all that weight on her. I mean, this is a 7 to 9 FTS with no supporting anything. I mean, y'all already gonna be commenting saying that pontoon boat don't weigh nothing. What are you talking about? It's like you ain't even pulling nothing. Okay, it is like I'm pulling something because I don't pull stuff. And also, this truck is the epitome of not set up for pulling anything aside from having a diesel engine. Other than that, absolutely not. Big lift, big 38s, gigantic 8-inch drop hitch, just your standard one from friggin' O'Reilly's. Pulling a nice little incline right here. Bumpy as crap. Good douche. Trans is great. Engine temp is great. The Jeep behind us, not great. Not happy. Oh. Yeah, do your thing, tow haul. Do your thing. And yes, the freaking windshield has still got tint residue all over it, and it's terrible looking. I'm not a procrastinator typically, or lazy, but in this one case, I definitely have been. Oh. Sounds so freaking good. Oh my gosh. All right, we got us a nice little climb here. Well, let's don't pull out in front of the school bus and absolutely destroy classrooms. Yeah. We'll wait. We'll wait. The bounce is scary. It's scary because we ain't got a pin in it, because the pin is in the trailer and it's like pinched and rusted, and so it's a little sketchy. Not gonna lie, a little sketchy. So we're trying to take it real easy on them bumps. It's also sketchy because you can't see anything. I guess I could have pulled my mirrors out. Wait, aren't these power extend? I forgot how to extend them. Wait. Why aren't you extending? I don't remember how to extend them. That would be helpful if I remembered. But I just clicked like 45 different configurations and still didn't do anything, Shane. I don't know. Well, I successfully folded them in, but I didn't want to do that. I don't freaking know. trucks broke down. Four-wheelers pulling them. There's no way I'm making that right turn. I can't make that right turn, brother. I genuinely don't think I can make that turn. Keep the trailer on the road, not hit the truck. All right, we made it. Hope they get it home. I'd help them, but obviously, yeah, I got a freaking boat behind me. I'm thinking that the trailer tires are a little low. They're looking a little low back there. Are we all ready to hear pure joy? Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Hyper Flash in 2025 is crazy. All right, guys. Well, thankfully, we made it back home without any issues. Duramax did absolutely amazing. She's definitely got a little lean to her right now. And I know this is not the heaviest thing ever to tow, but it is, you know, it's something. It definitely ain't nothing. I mean, look how far back the tires are. There's a whole lot of tongue weight on here for sure. Got the old Shun Tracker. I think it's a 20-foot party barge, 20 Deluxe, DLX, baby. Got the old Merc on the back. I think it's a 90. This is actually my father-in-law's boat. They're in Hawaii right now. On I don't know why they went. I can't remember the occasion. I'm sure it was a good one, but yeah, just got the boat. I got a good tune-up on it because she was having some sputtering issues, and so had to pick it up for him. Funny story right here. I don't know if y'all are into pontoons and can spot something not being right. That ain't right. That's a big old dent. 1, 2. So like the first week that they got this boat, right after they moved to the lake a couple years ago, Lauren's parents. Lauren got behind the wheel and no one told her where to go or where not to go. And she sent us through the old stump yards, and we found one. And then we all quickly found the floor of the pontoon boat, but it didn't bust through. It's been like that for a couple years now. I'm sure it has some extra drag going on. Probably got us a mile an hour or two lower. But yeah, I think you can actually take that somewhere and they can blow it out, expand it. That looks horrible, dude. Lake Lake is a dirty freaking lake. That is a lot of corrosion. But yeah, the old Sun Tracker, she does good. She gets you down to low water, get you to the swing, the rock. Just takes a little bit. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification. I'll see y'all boys in the next one.